Hey everybody, and this is Stockabilities coming here to talk to you guys about DRYS and some of the other shipping companies. Now, a little while back, there was a kind of a Trump pump, as I'd referred to it. The DRYS company went up to $100 a share. That's a pretty big jump from where it was. Now, of course, it went back down, got a lot of bag holders, and it's something that's coming up here soon is the inauguration of Trump. Now, what this might mean for the stock is a potential another rise, especially for those bag holders that want to get out, at least retaining some of their money. Now, of course, this would be the best time to do it. And of course, the volume and the short interest are very much on par to what Eneromedics was, so you might expect something similar. And of course, as you've seen with the $100 a share, Eneromedics got to 27, nowhere near that, so DRYS might be on another run coming up here. I don't believe it's going to pump up to 100, but you might see 5, 10, even $15 a share potentially tomorrow, so it's something to look out for. So you can see here, sworn in on Friday. So throughout the week here would be a very interesting week to watch the stock. This is the current price for Dryships. This is the main one I'm going to be focusing on. There are some other ones at a less cost and less risk. You can check those out. Just looking around and following around and checking out the other shipping industry stocks. Of course, as you can see here, the 5 days actually was pretty high. It was at like 3. Now it's all the way down to 187. But of course, this is a pretty low dip from all the shorts and with the short interest keeping in mind. And let's go back here. You can see the pop and then the major dump afterwards. And going a little bit further here, there's a lot of good sentiment on DRYS and what's coming up here. Some say Trump pump, other ones might say it's just simply going to rise from all the shorts attacking it, and then they're going to have to, of course, return the favor by pumping it back up in order to prevent any risk of them losing more, because they already brought it down pretty good, and holding on to that dump is probably not the best idea. Going a little bit further here, this covers the short interest, the 74.2% with a float of 1 million. That it means a very volatile stock coming up with a lot of people that might need to be making their money back. Any kind of news with DRYS tomorrow is going to be a really good thing. Of course, we'll see what happens. Now, these are already kind of factored in for the offering, as well as some more other information here. You guys could check it out on DRYS SEC filings. Thanks for listening in, and I recommend checking this out throughout the week. We'll see what happens. I'm personally probably going to only watch it tomorrow, maybe the next day. I don't think I'm going to follow up with it after that to try to get a scalp in and get out, because I don't think it'll hold up whatever price it holds up during the inauguration aspect. Thanks for listening in, and have a nice day. Make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more about this, more about other stocks, and we'll see what happens this week. Have a nice day.